In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reprint a bank reconciliation from QuickBooks Desktop that's older than 1 month. If you need to pull up and print a past reconciliation report for your records, for review, or to share with your accountant, QuickBooks Desktop makes this fairly simple once you know where to find it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to locate an older reconciliation period and print the report you need. Start by going to the top menu bar in QuickBooks and clicking on Reports. This is where QuickBooks stores many of the financial and banking reports you may need, including prior reconciliation receipts. Once you open the Reports menu, move your cursor over Banking. A submenu will appear. From there, select Previous Reconciliation. This option is specifically designed to help you access reconciliation reports that have already been completed in the past. After the Previous Reconciliation window opens, look for the Account drop-down menu. Click it and choose the bank account you want to work with. This is important if your company file has more than one bank account, since each account will have its own reconciliation history. Be sure to select the correct one before moving forward. Next, go to the Statement Ending Date section. Here you'll choose the reconciliation period for the older month you want to reprint. Select the appropriate statement ending date that matches the reconciliation you're looking for. Taking a moment to verify the date can help you avoid printing the wrong report, especially if you reconcile regularly each month. Once the correct account and statement date are selected, choose the report type you prefer. QuickBooks typically gives you the option to print a summary report, a detailed report, or both. A summary report is useful if you only need the high-level reconciliation information. A detailed report includes the underlying transactions, which can be helpful for auditing or troubleshooting. If you want the most complete record, selecting both is often a good choice. After that, click Display to open the report on your screen. This gives you a chance to quickly review it before printing, which is a helpful step if you want to confirm the account, date, and report format are all correct. Finally, once the report is visible, click the Print icon at the top of the report window to print your reconciliation. From there, you can complete the printing process using your normal printer settings. And that's how to reprint a bank reconciliation from QuickBooks Desktop for a period older than 1 month.